Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to care for an Anacharis plant, or a Brazilian waterweed, or a waterweed plant. And if you've got an aquarium, you're probably familiar with the Anacharis plant. And they just have a green, lush, bushy, very tight foliage. And they can grow in the bottom of the tank, whether you put them right into the gravel, or they actually will grow on the top of your water as well. So they can be grown in the house in a tank, or you can grow them outside in your water garden too. They don't handle cold temperatures very well at all, so they don't really like to go below 50 degrees. So if you live in the winter, whether it's in the garage or the basement, you can just leave them in a water tank and then put them back in your water feature again in the spring whenever it gets above 50 degrees. And at the same time, they don't want to get above 78, 80 degrees. So if they get too warm, then you can lose them as well. So you want to keep them in an area that's partly shaded as opposed to full hot sun if you have them outside in a water feature. Or if you have them in your aquarium, make sure that they have some kind of artificial light, because they need some light. They will not do well if it's too dark. And at the same time, they won't do well if they're put into direct sun in a sunny window that's too hot. So make sure and put them in either the east facing, where they're only getting the morning sun, or make sure that they get some artificial light so that they're not getting too warm and they're not getting too bright at the same time. And they're a wonderful, easy plant to grow. And whether you put them right into gravel, you can just put the roots right into some gravel in a container right into your water feature, or just leave them loose on top of the water, top of the tank, or in the pond itself. And they're a beautiful, beautiful plants, and they're good oxygenators. So they add oxygen to your tank and to your water feature. So if you have fish, they're a great addition to your water garden.